Gynecomastia, popularly known as moobs, is a disease prevalent in men. A lot of people find this sort of imbalance in the hormones hilarious, as it implies that men also have boobs. The funnier part about this disease is that man boobs do not necessarily happen in equal portions. In fact, one boob can be bigger than the other. What is gynecomastia or man boobs? Before we delve further into how to get rid of gynecomastia, let us understand and emphasize a little bit more on what is man boobs. Yes, the term sounds funny, but this can be a condition that should be taken intensely. It is a swelling that occurs in the breast tissue, due to the imbalance of estrogen and testosterone. Some men may have more of the female organ as compared to the male organ and hence build man boobs. The funny part is that man boobs don't necessarily happen equally, meaning one boob can be bigger than the other. We are going to elaborate on how to get rid of gynecomastia naturally. This article will be a good read for men who are trying to get rid of man boobs naturally. How to get rid of gynecomastia. Gynecomastia symptoms. The widespread signs that can display to one that they have gynecomastia is when the male breasts tend to get enlarged. Apart from the very common sign, other symptoms include men growing rubbery or firm nipples. The man boobs also become tender, soft and highly sensitive. However, the good part about man boobs is that they are painless. Thus, if one falls under the umbrella of these symptoms, do read this article further, to know how to get rid of gynecomastia. Causes behind gynecomastia. Man boobs. Apart from the most common cause of hormonal imbalance, there are other causes as well. Many medications and diseases can be blamed for the occurrence of man boobs. These include drugs like corticosteroids, antibiotics, opioids, and even some herbs. Thus, if one finds themselves developing man boobs, home remedies should definitely be considered. How to get rid of moobs at home naturally. Many people question how to get rid of moobs in a week and the natural process of doing so. Hence, below we are going to shine a light on how to get rid of gynecomastia naturally and at home. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a property known as curcumin. This increases the male hormone's testosterone. There is no doubt in figuring that the higher in the male hormone, the more chances of males not developing man boobs. Eat fish. Fish is a very good way to get rid of gynecomastia, as it contains omega-3 fatty acids. These are so good as they help promote male testosterone level, and apart from this they also reduce the estrogen levels. Hence, reducing the chances of man boobs. One can either eat cooked fish or even take fish supplements. Foods that reduce moobs. There are certain foods that should be not consumed, as it only increases one's chances of developing man boobs. These include eating shrimps, canned food, strawberries, supermarket meat and cheese, soy, beer, beetroots, and drugs like marijuana. Flax seeds. These seeds contain lignans. This property is very effective in reducing the female hormones, thus helping to avoid man boobs. On the other hand, they also contain omega-3 fatty acids which increase the male hormones. Take flax seeds with warm water every day to see results. One can also top their smoothies with flax seeds and consume them. Cold compress. An excellent way to get rid of gynecomastia is by applying a cold compress. Man boobs are said to be painful, and hence ice should be applied around that area, to relieve one of the pain and inflammation. One is advised to not directly put the ice, but cover it in a towel and apply it. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. A healthy diet is an excellent way to get rid of gynecomastia. Fruits and vegetables are very much needed because they are rich in vitamins and minerals. The body needs these elements. Fruits and vegetables are also very good and effective in burning fat. Gynecomastia exercise. Exercise is thought of as the best way to get rid of gynecomastia. Going to the gym or even going for walks will help burn the fat. The gym is seen as a perfect way to do some cardio and even strengths. Other exercises like swimming and jogging, which demand rigorous workouts, are also regarded as good ways to reduce man boobs. Green tea. There are also various herbal remedies that help to get rid of gynecomastia. One of them includes sipping green tea. This tea is very effective in burning fat and flushes out all the toxins from the body. Thus, helping to remove fat, it also aids in reducing man boobs. Apart from the above home remedies to get rid of man boobs, there are also the several do's and don'ts that one should follow. The do's: in order to reduce man boobs, specific changes in lifestyle are needed, such as one should eat organic food, drink water in large amounts, cut down on sugar and keep track of your weight, and most importantly, say goodbye to drugs. The don'ts: there are also the don'ts that one should follow, such as try not consuming alcohol, do not smoke, eat food there is no need to starve yourself, and most importantly, try not eating foods rich in carbohydrates. Conclusion. Thus, the above home remedies to get rid of gynecomastia are very effective and work wonders. However, man boobs can become very painful, and one might require instant relief. This may not be provided by the above home remedies, as they are natural and take longer to process. In such situations, one should go to the doctor. We hope this article was useful and will help prevent man boobs.